Namaste दोस्तों. Hello friends, this is Suman Sharma. Welcome back to my channel Suman Education Hub English. In today's video, we are going to learn how to maintain Aggarbatti accounting in TelePrime. So basically in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to create company, how to create suppliers ledger, input taxes ledger, and your buyer's ledger, output taxes ledger, and stock item of Aggarbatti raw material. So all these things I'm going to tell you in this video. So before starting the video and before go ahead, it's my personal request to all of you, if you are coming first time, visiting first time to my YouTube channel, so please like, share and subscribe as much as you can to my channel Suman Education Hub English. So let's get started and see all these things practically in TelePrime. Open TelePrime. Now from here we will create a new company for maintaining this account. So click on company option and then create option. So from here I am going to create my company name, manufacturing company, and fill address. Here is the enough space, you can fill your company full address with your mobile number, email address, everything you can put over here. Select state, country, pin code, telephone, mobile, fax, email ID, website, each and every detail you have to fill over here. Next option is financial year beginning from. If you are creating your company in financial year 2023-24, so you have to put here 1st April 2023. Same will be in book beginning from. Now you can see company created successfully option is appearing. It means your company has been created successfully. Now we have to do GST configuration, press yes and fill all the information related GST like state, registration type, GST applicable from, your GST number, and select GSTR1 monthly or quarterly. E-way bill applicable, press yes, and if you are eligible for e-invoice, so press yes. So we have created company and GST configuration is done. Now you can see company is showing manufacturing company. Now we will start creating basics ledger for maintaining this account like suppliers ledger, buyers ledger, taxation ledger. So click on create option, then click on ledger option. First we will create our suppliers ledger. So I'm going to create Suman Education Hub, which is our suppliers. You can mention in bracket suppliers. If you can't, you can skip it. Under group sundry creditors, because our suppliers comes in sundry creditors group. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes, you have to fill your party address, state, pin code number, GST number, each and every detail. Check out, provide correctly and save this by pressing Ctrl A. Next ledger we will create purchase account ledger. Under group purchase account, and is GST applicable? So yes, GST will be applicable. Set alter GST detail, press no, because we are going to create common ledger, that's why we are selecting no. Type of supply, goods. And next ledger for taxation. So first ledger I am going to create input CGST, under group duties and taxes, GST, and select central tax for CGST. Next input as GST we will create under duties and taxes, then GST, and for SGST we will select state tax. By pressing Ctrl A, save this. Next input IGST, under group duties and taxes, GST. For IGST we need to select interrogated tax and save this. We have created our suppliers and taxation ledger. Now we will create our buyers ledger, Shiv Trading Company, under group sundry debtors. Maintain balances bill by bill, yes, and fill all the information of your buyers like address, GST number, everything. Next, sales account. Under sales account, is GST applicable? So yes, GST will be applicable. In set alter GST details, press no, because again we are going to create a common ledger. Next we are going to create taxation ledger for sales. Output CGST, under duties and taxes, then GST, and for CGST select central tax. Next output as GST, under duties and taxes, then GST, And for SGST we will select state text, and by pressing Ctrl C, Ctrl A, save it. Output IGST under duties and taxes GST, and for IGST select interrogated text. So from here we have created suppliers and buyers ledger. Now it's turn to create stock item ledger. For creating stock item ledger, go to stock item, and from here we will create our all stock item, all raw materials for agarbatti. So first I'm going to create charcoal powder, which is a raw material of agarbatti. If you wish, you can create stock group for agarbatti raw material. So by pressing Ctrl C, I'm going to create agarbatti raw material stock group, and we will create all agarbatti raw materials in this group. You can create by pressing Ctrl C unit, because unit is not created already. So that's why we need to create by pressing Ctrl C. We are going to purchase charcoal powder, which almost purchases in kg. So in symbol, select kg, and in formal name, select kilogram, and in UQC you can select from UQC option. By pressing Ctrl A, save the screen. And in statutory details, GST applicable, so yes, GST will be applicable. In set alter GST detail, press yes, and you have to fill HSN code for this item. In taxability, select taxable, and 5% tax is applicable for this item, and save this stock item. Next, agarbatti raw material, we will create sagwan wood powder, which is also raw material. Under group, you have to select, which we have already created, agarbatti raw materials. Select unit in kg and set alter GST detail, press yes, and fill HSN code for this item. In taxability, select taxable, 5% again for this stock item, and save this. Next stock item we will create for jigat powder, which is also agarbatti raw materials. Under group kg and GST will be applicable. Set alter GST detail yes. Fill HSN code for this item. In taxability, select taxable option, and fill the GST rate for this item, and save this. Next, we will create one by one. You have to create all the agarbatti raw material stock item. So next, we will create agarbatti stick, which is also agarbatti raw materials. In unit, you have to select pieces or numbers. So by pressing Ctrl C, you can create a symbol in pieces. Formal name, you can fill pieces, and UQC you can select from the drop down option. In GST applicable, so yes, GST will be applicable. Set alter GST detail yes, and fill the HSN code for this item. In taxability, select taxable, and tax rate for this item 5%, and by pressing Ctrl A, save this stock item. Next stock item we will create perfume, which is again raw material for agarbatti. Select stock item group agarbatti raw material, and in unit you can select liter. If liter stock item is not created, by pressing Ctrl C, you can create stock unit for liter. Select in UQC liter and save this screen. GST applicable, so yes, GST will be applicable. Set alter GST detail, press yes, and fill HSN code for this item. In taxability, select taxable option, and 18% tax rate for this item, so fill 18%, and by pressing Ctrl A, save this screen. Next stock item we will create extract or essence, is also used for making agarbatti. So we will create stock item for this. Select group, which we have already created, agarbatti raw material, and unit, select liter, GST applicable, and fill HSN code for this stock item. And in taxability, select taxable, set 18% GST rate, and save this. Now finally we are going to create finished good stock item for agarbatti, which we will sell. So I'm going to create finished good agarbatti stock item, and if you wish, you can also create stock group for your finished good. So by pressing Ctrl C, we are going to create agarbatti finished good stock group. If you are selling different companies agarbatti, different brand agarbatti, you can also create all finished good item by using this stock group. And in units you have to select packet, because usually agarbatti sells in packet unit. So I'm going to create packet unit. You can see how I'm creating. You can also create like this. In symbol select packet, and in UQC also select packet. Is GST applicable? So yes, GST will be applicable. Set HSN code for this item. So I'm going to fill HSN code for this stock item. In taxability, select taxable, and 5% tax is for Aggarbatti. So we have also created finished good stock item for Aggarbatti. So in this video, we have seen how to create suppliers ledger, buyers ledger, taxation ledger, stock item ledger, Aggarbatti raw materials stock, and Aggarbatti finished goods stock in Tally Prime. You can search my channel named Suman Education Hub English. You can get all the account related video over there. So I hope this video will help you out. If this video will help you out, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and keep watching my videos.